It is difficult to remain positive in tough economic times. Prime Minister Monti has been saying that reviving economic growth is the central goal of his government. However, the Italian economy has shrunk for 5 consecutive quarters, and the draconian government spending cuts aimed at tackling Italy's enormous €1.95 trillion debt pile have curbed consumer spending. On Tuesday, the National Bureau of Statistics (Istat) announced that GDP contracted 0.8% from April to June this year, while the economy shrunk 2.6% in the past 12 months, the biggest annual contraction since 2009.
The IMF expected last year a recession of minus 2.2%, and was basically right. Now the industrial production is 25% lower than before crisis. So the recession is turning into a long-term depression, meaning a permanent loss of a major part of production capacity.
Prime Minister Mario Monti has recently said he is expecting a return to economic growth in 2013. Furthermore, Monti believes next year further increases in fiscal pressure will be abandoned, and the part of the program regarding austerity will gradually diminish. However, his optimism is not shared by many in Italy.
I cannot see how one can be optimistic these days. Things are getting worse by the day for us pensioners and for those with a fixed income. Monti is acting like a puppet in the hands of the European Union.
Monti knows very well what the situation is now. He's got lots of friends among bankers. It is very hard to be optimistic about the future today.
In late August, ratings agency Fitch urged Monti's government to put the brakes on its austerity measures and to concentrate instead on economic reforms. Finance Minister Vittorio Grilli said on Tuesday that Italy's deepening economic recession does not mean the country needs further adjustments of its public finances.
The public accounts are in big trouble because the recession means that probably 15 billion euro less will come into taxes paid by the country. The outlook is that even the government will have to intervene with further action.
On Tuesday, Monti unexpectedly admitted that his government, with its tough measures, has contributed to worsening an already difficult economic situation. The Prime Minister said that intervening on structural elements that have been a burden for many years in Italy will have negative consequences in the short term, referring to the slowing down of the economy due to a decrease in the demand. Max Civili, Press TV, Rome.